If you've been watching the channel for very long, you may know that the knife that I carry every day with me is this Emerson CQC-7 with the Wave opening feature. And this is made in the USA by Emerson. This is about a $200-something knife. We have in the past looked at an Emerson Kershaw collaboration CQC-7, which was a little different than this, but it's a lot less money. And today we're going to take a look at another Kershaw-Emerson collaboration, the CQC-10K. It also features the Wave feature and a thumb stud. This one's not quite as broken in, but a little bit different design, but still a very cool knife and a lot less money than the Emerson. And that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. How you like that? My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, as I said, today we're going to take a look at this Emerson CQC-10K, and it needs some breaking in. I'm having a hard time with my thumb flicking it out, but I can definitely put it in my pocket, like so, and do the Wave. Let me back up where you can see the Wave. Can you see it? And it's open. So that's what's cool about these. And that's a licensed feature from Emerson. They didn't steal this. This is a collaboration with Emerson knives. So Kershaw's doing the right thing. They're not just copying stuff. So let's talk about the again, like we did with the other one. We'll talk about the similarities and differences of this knife. So, but first, the specs on this thing. It features a 3.5-inch Bowie style blade, stonewash finish 8CR14 MOV, 3.5 inches long again. For those of you still stuck in that old metric system, that's 89 millimeters. The handle is 4 3/4 inches long, or 121 millimeters, of textured G10 on the front. In this case is green, and 410 bead blasted finished stainless on the back. The open length is 8.5 inches, or 216 millimeters. And it weighs 5 ounces or 142 grams. Features a frame lock design. You can see that right there on the back. Oh, a tip-up reversible pocket clip. So tip-up, which I like, and reversible, which I like. They even give you some extra screws in case you lose those screws. That's a great feature in my opinion. It has the thumb disc manual opening, and so you can just open it up like so. Takes this and needs a little breaking in, I think. But it also features the Wave feature, which just like the other one, as you can see the Wave feature here, just like the one I carry. Basically what happens is you put that in your pocket like this, and as you bring it out of your pocket, you drag it back, and this catches on this right here catches on the side of your pocket, and it flips open. And I'm telling you, it doesn't take long to where you can really get to where you can just flip that thing open. Let me just give you a quick look at that. You just take it and there it is, it's open. I mean, that's faster than any automatic you've ever seen. I'm telling you, no buttons to push, no anything. So I think I made it clear I really like the Wave feature. Let's talk about the comparison between these two knives. First of all, you can see the blade is a little longer than the one on my Emerson. It's also what they're calling a Bowie style, which is a really, it's got this nice concave curve here on back of the clip point area. This one is probably a hollow grind, where this one is a chisel grind, so it's flat on one side and grind, just sharpen on the other, which really does make it a little easier to sharpen in the field. This one is a liner lock versus a frame lock, and this one is a lot thinner, to be honest with you. The Emerson's thinner and a little bit longer overall, and certainly a different shape. But both tip-up carry. This one is reversible. The Emerson is not. You can order it reversible. So this one's broken in very well, and this one is not broken in so good, but a little use will fix that. So the biggest difference, well, let's see, two differences are, pretty sure this one's made in China, this one's made in the USA. That is a significant difference. And this one's about 215 bucks or so, 200 bucks. This one, I paid $31.99 for this on Big Daddy Unlimited. The street price everywhere else is about 43 bucks or so, so still significantly less than the Emerson. So, and it's a good knife. I'm not knocking this at all. It's a different steel. It's certainly Chinese steel. It's definitely made in China, but it's it's a good value knife, and Kershaw quality control has always been spot on. So there's all that. Now, as I said, and I've said on all these folding knife reviews I've been doing, we're not doing bushcraft stuff. It's not a bushcraft knife. This is really it could be a hunting knife. You could use this for hunting. I don't have anything to skin right now, but it's also just a very useful style blade. It's got a little jimping back here I forgot to tell you about, but I think what I should probably do is the #1 industry standard sharpness test in the knife industry worldwide, I think, is the Redneck sharp test. Shall we try that one? So we just need some the testing medium here, and we'll just see how well this thing does. Oh my gosh, okay. All right, yeah, this one, by golly, whew, yeah, it definitely passes the Redneck sharp test. Flying colors. So we got that out of the way. Excellent sharp test on the Redneck. Now we'll do the one I keep saying I don't like to do this, and I keep doing it. I got to admit, I'm kind of starting to like it. So I don't know what that says about me, but it's a paper test, paper cutting test. And I'm going to do that. I'm just going to hold it with 2 fingers, maybe 3 fingers, just to keep it from being unwieldy. And we'll just see how well it cuts paper with hardly any pressure. So, yep, not bad. 2 fingers. There's no guidance there, nothing. Try to get the very end of it, and then we'll, okay. Okay, it passes the paper cutting test too. So altogether, by golly, it's sharp. By golly, the wave feature works. It's nice and solid and hefty. It needs to be broken in for the thumb stud. Well, it's getting better. Feels good in your hand, and it's a big old beefy knife. And if you needed to use a knife for defense, this wave feature is going to get it out and open faster than any automatic, any spring assist, anything else, because all you got to do is get a hold of it and pull it out. So that is the Kershaw-Emerson CQC-10K, and I hope this has been helpful. If you've been looking at this knife, maybe this will give you a closer look at it if you've been looking at it online. Sometimes it's hard to tell from online. So I got to say, I really like this knife, and it's well worth the 32 bucks or so I paid for it, for sure. So I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. I really appreciate you supporting the channel sponsors, and I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.